me. May his soul keep resting in peace. I got home there. I did not do contribution for Chineduma Dike. I was not at Chineduma Dike's presence. Jpac told me, na Chineduma Dike bori obri na Georgia. Na Chineduma Dike against him corporation, no syphilis. Na Chineduma Dike no today me chane shimwe. That day he found that and then also. The mama no mentio what by Jpac. Nande no su bagamatu daddy na etesironya positive na because rumor be akawa. According to Jpac, na rumor be akawa and ebuna ifani the dinner. Upper Jpac na korobo. Anything I say, go to me na him bang. Na ifani uba na dinner. Onya. So Oshi, one of the nurses say, "Put no ifani uba by the side here." Okay. Can we do audio prenatal test for you? Ifani uba, you don't worry. You don't worry. No do beke like that. Ibora mi ake wangu. Mbe putara. Chineduma Dike na baya. We should not have one yemuna. Ibana my father will watch Chineduma Dike more. So all these things you are clamoring and saying, yeah, ubeje la kumada yo. Mbada dem, mbago dem to. Ibara mbeji wodi. Ibara mu shi. Na gi kempo ho tu da bolage. What you gonna you feel me? So all these things I get now that's not me. He told me. In particular, anyway, but I will stand on my feet and keep saying what I'm saying with no shaking. Jpac get challenge. Go and do that challenge. Simple as ABC. And you must follow the command. You can follow it. Now, they are going to do what they get warrior. So as you know, no love to do what they will not find your back at the no way she wore. In fact, no Julia American friend here. Now you told me. I'm on there. It's some giga. I'm a big Chineduma Dike. What you bring another job of you? I'm a Chineduma Dike. This mobile. Are you not the one that's telling me all this? He have Baramo. The reason why you job we find your banjo work. I could report or got one dog. Actually, yeah, on your bed that very day. The same find your body contact you. On I sent a message on a shoot yesterday. You never know at that very day. Now share no video. I know why I'm telling you to share this video because tomorrow somebody will not come up and make up story. Jpac we have benefits. He told me that if I know any favor will or no share who today. And the can't that she don't that she and we called Bishop also. Bishop was busy. We called Akwa on a line. I was there. I'm not there. Bishop was busy. Bishop could not reach out. Bishop or may traffic or somewhere. They could not reach local line. So you coming yesterday, not for Kampo Bishop. Never you add that man. Bishop was Garanyana to Chineko. You don't call Kuchishiki. You don't keep the Paranaka. Would they call anybody to help you? Bishop was Garanyana to Chukueku. A man. Jesus now put like this today. You want to go? Oh, somebody there do a Chineke. No, they tag Bishop also bring your mess. I never mention only Poromo come now back. Bishop also bring soon. He's a man that so anything that has to do with God, Bishop and so never you ever this hanky-panky video you made yesterday, and you keep saying, "Oh, for Robert, Bishop, shut up! Don't mention that holy man, Bishop. Oh, from the God, he's a clean man. He's not useless. He's a man. It takes some. So in a make all this your sympathy work group do not include that man." Bishop,
I told you, all those people, they are evil. You know, they try to, I told you I will bring them down, all of them. I will strike them all. Almost spiritual war. I told you people. You thought I'm joking. You thought I was joking last year. Try and see.
You know,
you know, say a man and a man bear equal is from out. I know they make noise. I am a man, one soldier. I don't depend on anybody for my battle. If you like, hate me. If you like, love me. I don't care. What I know my work. Nobody can do it. Nobody can do my work for me. That's why I don't chase crowd. Reason why I just crap for yourself, all those fake bloggers. Many of you, even my followers, even my sons and daughters, well, I'm disappointed in you people. Some are real people. Listen, reason why I'm disappointed in you people, because you saw the power. Because of somebody says something, you can't even come out to defend what somebody said after I saw the power. But that is it. Reason why I not make more, I have power. A man with power does not need to come out and start doing advert. No blogger. I'm not giving any blogger $1. Reason why those bloggers are blackmailing me, so I can give them more like you know when those bloggers want to get money, get it straight. Get it straight. I used to do entertainment, I used to do blogger, and what I promoted documenting. So this is a strategy. When they want to get money from you, they will blackmail you. Before Akwa can give Jpac motor, he blackmailed Akwa. He said a lot of things before Akwa give him that motor. When he was with Akwa, he was blackmailing me, thinking I will come out and start giving him money like all those Onyeze Jesus them. You don't know, I am a guru in what I do. I am the spiritual warlord, Dr. Chukwu Kaliba. Listen very well. Now, Jpac want to do the same thing to Ezobi. You don't know that Ezobi is very, very ready for him. That will lead to Jpac arrest. They are talking now. They arrested him. They said they should call this person. They said, this is what they do. With this useless idiot called Den Sagubona. Den Sagubona, as one guy they went to meet. What is it them? One guy in Anambra State, one prophet like that. I heard that they went to give them the car that is not good and sold to them. They have run, what is the name of this guy? What is the name of this guy? What is the name of this prophet? Name just skipped to me. What is the name of this prophet? Onye Roka. His name is Onye Roka. You know, before I was with Jpac, when he found out that Jpac don't cast, he run to Onye James Agba, he run to Onye Roka. He went there, eat their money. He run to Ebukobi. When he found out that Ebukobi one fair, he run to Jeremiah. This is how he's running up and down. These are somebody that come out of air, say, I went to collect juju for native doctor. I went to collect power. Because they try to blackmail me for me to give them money. I'm pitching them. They call me on phone to join them their group. They use their Zugo. That one, every morning at 5 o'clock, that one be calling me. Let us do. I know they do group something. I know they are too big for this thing. I fought TB Dutch at 2008. I fought many. Okay, I have to join you before you can. Who are you promoting? Me. You're somewhere. My name was already all over the whole place. Now God, they promote me. You can't promote me. I know they look for promo. Because if you promote somebody who don't know what they do, you will still fail. I am down with power. A man who have HIV or less death, cancer, many kind of sickness. I've delivered over 1 billion people from Kenya or that. So I'm here to say that why are you against Ogechi? Ogechi said the truth. We know this thing. That's why I'm calling them Zion of Satan, because a true Zion can never bring gay inside, can never bring gangster, can never bring criminalism. That's not Zion. Zion is a holy place. Even small church, it can't do that nonsense. They pursue you. Go to it. And they pursue you. But those people, everybody is busy looking for how to be popular. That's why I can bring people like Jpac, Gay Boy. There's Agbora, the deportee from Dubai. He said if anybody call him, he will do what? I will call your name, nothing. You're too small. You're nobody. There's Agbora, you're nobody. You're not channels and Kawaras. This is me. I never mentioned your name. You only try to blackmail me so you can get money. The money Ebuka and the Akosayon paid you people to blackmail me. That money will destroy you. It's a promise. You have started. I told you people, we will not have rest. I am the spiritual warlord. Mark my word. Go and ask questions. Go back and ask questions. Far back in 2005. All the people that came to shoot me, God, they have died. They didn't live and see the light of the day. And not a boast. This is a covenant. I have authority and power. I have the staff of Chukwu. Eze Chukwu Okuke. Abiomandi Igbo. One of Igbo land. I know they worship idols. I know they join. I know they do anything with occult. Listen, I run away from TV Dutch and started this because they are occult. I don't want to say that because I know Which occult that can defend the power of Queen of Heaven? I was battling with Queen of Heaven. So what? So if I join occult is to die now. I conquered Queen of Heaven. Before I can come out and call me Satan. That is Queen of Heaven. I conquered her on my 7th. On the 7th month, when I was fasting for 1 year. Our grass. Okay, you're talking nonsense. Give us evidence. He said, give you evidence. Evidence of what I'm looking for. We have so many evidence to give to you. Relax. We're going to post many evidence on this page. You know, they have our page. That's why, because of you that's why sometimes I want to explain. You that say you want evidence, relax. We are going to show you evidence. I will show you evidence of 50 people. Miracle. Online, 50 people. I will show you physical one, 50 people, 100. Then bring your pastor, tell you to show us one. Online. You know, online, they cannot fake it. So I will show you American citizen. I will show you Canada citizen. I will show you UK citizen. I will show you Italian citizen. I will show you German citizen. So if you not think say it's not Ghana, I will show you from those countries, the top 5 countries in the world. I will show you. You see that it's not money. You can't buy them, you can't bribe them. Maybe this one way they could do at the G-side church or do this one. No. Jpac is a pure evil. This is what they are. But that is they don't have work. That's where they're eating from. So if they look at you, they enter you, they think if they push you around, you will fall. You will be feared. They will call you by side. They call them, give them like 10 or 20 million. They will leave your way. That's what they've been doing. But I'm here to expose them. Know their secret. They want to do it to SOB. SOB refuse. That's what SOB was saying. He thinks that only DBA they do. And they also do pass. So you don't feel intimidate me like Akwa. So this is why they are going to when they intimidate Akwa go release money to them. When they do Sabrakata for Ebuka go release money. When they do Jeremiah go release money. That's why I see any brother that used to promote Jeremiah is a criminal. Any brother that is always citing Ebuka is a criminal. Any brother that is always citing okuko is a criminal. Any brother that was always siding with them, okay, all those is a criminal. Because those brothers, go and watch them. They can never say any negative thing. So are you trying to tell me there's nothing negative about Akwa or Eko Heat or Ebukobi or Mbaka or David Yahweh? I have my negative side. Or this thing, or what do you call it? Jeremiah. Nobody's perfect. So if you're a blogger, you're always protecting some people, you're a criminal, you're not a blogger. You're a criminal, God will punish you. Most of the people that do all those Eastern bloggers, watch what they do. Now Jpac have problem, they cannot come. If you come to Lagos, if you see blogger like Linda AKG, all those, we can't bribe them. If you do something, that's what they call bloggers. I started blogger 2008. Then I was blogging with Linda AKG, all those people. So I want to do blogger. Blogger is a professional thing. Nobody all this one. They're not a blogger. You're a thieves looking for money. You're not a blogger. A blogger is activist. Many of you don't know what is called blogging. Blogging is activist, speaking the truth, like a prophet. Do you know that they arrested Linda AKG? They arrested her because of the truth. This is why they arrested Jpac. You're trying to blackmail people. What you're doing is blackmail. You're not doing blogger. Blackmail to gain follower, blackmail to get money, blackmail to intimidate people. All those big men, you come and blackmail them. Now, you used to market Zoro Bita. Zoro Bita don't come give you money. You go bring Korea Bita to blackmail that one. You know, that is nice. It's not my business, but I want to tell you. You try to blackmail me with Akwa, conquer Akwa, enter Zion. Think you can blackmail me, us. This is what they do. They enter to blackmail me to promote Ebuka. All of you will suffer. And here I've told you. Bring Ebuka be one-on-one. Let us perform miracle. It's not about a crowd. You know, it's that one. Come on, air. Put us on air. Let us do it. Bring sick people, put. No pastor on this world, in this world can challenge me for healing. When it comes for healing, I'm number one. That is power, because this is what my brother was there. That is what I asked for. Healing power. I asked for it. I fasted for it. I spent 4 years on the mountain. When they come for healing, no pastor in the world can stand me on the healing. I am the first prophet to be healing online. Before this Ghana prophet start. TV just are not the heal online. Just they pray. And they bring people, put them on the scene. I'll pray for them, they will be healed. Wait, let me pray one testimony for you. This testimony now, they just sent it yesterday. They just sent it yesterday. Let me pray for you.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Jpac from Abia State. I
want to pray this testimony. This is our brother from Abia State. This boy was in Gabon. They want to deport him. He had business with people. They are deporting him to Sudan. They want to deport him. So when the problem was too much, the guy don't even have money to join partner. So what happened? He called me, begin to cry. He said, "This am from Abia State. This and this, this and this, this and this, this and this. So they want to deport me. I don't know what to do. And this the man that I did some business with, they deported me to Sudan." I asked the guy, send me the man number. He sent me the man. I said, send me the army number. I'm in Nigeria. I control it. Call the man. I want him. Now, let me pray the testimony. These are somebody who was very, very hungry before. But now, here is testimony. This night I'm going to do so. I'm going to read this now. If I leave this program, I'm going to read this. For you that ask for evidence, wait, you will see evidence. Starting from tomorrow, I'm going to show you evidence. But let me pray this one.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Jpac from Abia State. That's my part of testimony we have to give to the world and the people that will listen to this video. Because it's on Facebook community. I was navigating, and I saw the platform of Zero City of the media of Kukaribia. I was monitoring it like 1 year like this, and I was seeing things happening. Though
the testimony I'm going to stop here. You watch it through. I'm going to post it. For you that ask for evidence, wait, to have evidence. Anything you want, miracle, breakthrough, healing, signs and wonders is here. The only reason why I'm making this video is just for you want to see how evil men can be, how jealousy men can be, how blackmail. Because all you people call me to join you, your group. I did not, I refuse. I become a bad man. He blackmail me, try to get money from me, I refuse. He can't. Why would I give you money? Why would I give you blogger money? My money go to charity, to sick people. My money go to people that's in prison. I don't they give blogger money. Why would I give you money? Your hand break. You're doing blogger. Do your blogger, promote your page, and you get endorsement. I'm into entertainment. And why would I pay blogger? For what? On Facebook, you report my page, on Facebook, I open no one. Do you know how many people have called me? Oh, why are you supporting LGBT? Go to my page, you see, they're calling me. Why are you supporting? The reason why I'm supporting you, I want to fight this battle between Jpac and this Agbo. The video is there. Don't worry. You mention your name, you do this. What happened to you? God bless you. I'm going to leave you people. Just let me drop this video. There's one other video. This girl was saying something. Let me just play it. What other things she saying? When you go to the Jpac, what you do? You go to the Jpac.
And the Jpac, I'm giving you another challenge.
Aha, this one.
Jpac, I'm giving you another challenge.
Jpac, where are you?
Jpac,
Jpac, get ready.
I will pay you any damages each of our body. But then I'm not going to give you Jpac, he got too many amount. Can you make a impact? The doctor talking about the come on and give me cash. After examining you, and the doctor will go that if you take it, I will fetch you. Jpac, I will pay you any damages on it. You're going to make you charge it.
You say I like opposite side. Yes, I don't support you. I'm always where there is the truth.
I will tell my doctor in Nigeria now.
You say I like opposite side. That is why I'm a man of truth. A man of truth will look at the situation. See, when they bring a baby to Solomon, they say, Solomon, let us cut this baby into two. So I will take one, I'll take one. Solomon never cut the baby. What Solomon told them, say, kill the baby. When the baby grow, we know who is father on to. Yeah, we take a challenge. You know the money they find. The guy say we pay him anything. I think at this stage. You don't take right. Nigeria, I might dismiss. It's not here. I didn't back up myself because I'm going out. I didn't back up myself tonight. I'm going out now. So I'm gonna be stopping here. It'll be another day. I want to go to wilderness to do some spiritual prayer for one of my brother from Italy. The guy that he witchcraft is facing, so he's getting better now. He was seeing snake pursuing him and those things. And I also want to do prayer for this our brother that God blesses and Gabon. So the lady I support, that is, see, you know your problem is this. I don't support anybody for anything. I'm not a fan of Ogechi. It's like Ijele, I'm not his fan. But when Ijele speak the truth, in that particular occasion that Zayam arrested Ijele, he was saying the truth. We know that. So cannot you, because you have said, talk against Mazina and the carrier, what concern me? That particular event I'm talking about, was Ijele speaking the truth? We saw it is truth. This particular event now, if Jpac say, we know Jpac, if it's not the truth, Jpac they don't take offense. So that means everything is, for Jpac to keep quiet, that is the truth. If Jpac is not the truth, that's this thing hospital here. Let him go to this hospital, evacuate. Let them check it. You can say we call him this thing. Let the case close. Prove it. Not be to go hospital. They go check your nurse whether they fuck. Oh, no, they alone. Jpac, the gay boy. We know you people. Don't want to bloggers. Next will be first they talk this thing. Last year, about to blogger. Only as self is part of you. Only as they came out and admit. I they fuck your papa. I they fuck your mama. If you watch this, all of them they work together. Jpac is a criminal. He's just living on blackmailing people. If you blackmail, you better, you're too spiritual. What they do is to make me to prepare myself very well. So this time I'm prepared. I want my prayer watch on. I'm a spiritual warlord. God bless you. I'm going to be cutting off here. Thank you. Shalom.